Well, good morning, tubers. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another great video. Today is the 2nd of August, 2021. It's been a minute. It's been a rocky road. We've been watching these cryptos fall and come back, fall and come back. We've been watching the Biden administration and Elizabeth Warren going round and round about what they're going to do about crypto, protecting people's assets, taxation, and whatnot. This morning I wanted to talk about don't get left behind, and the big two, Bitcoin and Ethereum. So right now we've got Bitcoin sitting at $39,300 in price, and Ethereum sitting at $2,592. And if you remember, there was a lot of crying. If we go and look at the chart for Bitcoin, I want everybody to take a look at what has happened in just the last month or so. Okay, let's look at this. You go back to July, you can see it went all the way down to 29,500, and now we're sitting around 39,000. This graph is it doesn't look like that big a change, but it is. There's a big difference between this 29,000 and this whole 40,000. We hit 49,000, $10,000 difference, okay, over the course of almost just a week. It's a big difference. It just shows you how quickly that this asset can erupt and go right back to where it was earlier in the year. And this is where I want to make my sticking point. Okay, a $41,000 Bitcoin, and early this year I said that my price prediction was $80,000. Here we are now on the other side. We're in the second half of the year now, and all the foolishness, I believe, is about to subside, and we're about to see an eruption like people have never seen before. If we were to go back and look at Ethereum, it's very similar. $2,600 Ethereum, and when you look at the chart, look at this. Same thing. Look at how it bottomed out at $1,787, and now it's creeping all the way back to $2,600. And we can remember back in May when the thing just went ballistic and was sub $4,000. And look at how we're heading back. This is after two what I call micro crashes in June and July. Okay, the micro crashes aren't going to keep sticking, folks. And the true value of this asset class is about to be revealed. People are not understanding that this is going to be replacing our current fiat currency infrastructure. Developers are working to understand how to integrate these assets into websites, into apps, into games, and across the board with regards to all financial transactions. They're trying to figure out which currencies they want to use. Okay? So where I'm going with this is to say that you Shonuf want to get in while you have a chance. There's going to be a lot of folks sitting around crying. They're going to be sitting around crying about, I wish somebody had told me. Why didn't somebody tell me that Ethereum was going to be accepted at Walmart? Or why didn't anybody tell me that Bitcoin was going to be accepted? Why didn't anybody tell me that PayPal was going to allow digital transactions with cryptocurrency? I don't want to hear it. We told you on this channel. I don't want to hear it. I don't. And you sure enough gonna be sorry. It's gonna be a lot of crying. Because this is a transitional situation unlike anything in the history of mankind. This is going to be likened itself to when they came up with papyrus, paper, for the first time to write on. People are not going to have cash money in their pockets. People are going to be asking to be paid in digital currency. That hasn't even happened yet. And we have a $41,000 Bitcoin. Listen, don't get left behind. The people that don't start studying, and the people who have studied that don't share with the people that they care about the implications of digital money, the implications of this entire decentralized finance, blockchain technology integration into our current infrastructure. Shonuf gonna be sorry. Shonuf. That's how my mama put it. Them old folks, they used to always talk about something. Shonuf. That's what this is. You Shonuf gonna be sorry. This is a chance to equalize the disparity between what people make and what people should make. And for those who don't, at least investigate this asset class and start accumulating some of these coins. They're going to be even further behind than they are now. That's the bad news. Here's the good news. They don't have to be behind. Ethereum is $2,500, $2,600. Hey, you don't have to buy a whole one. Get you a little bit. Now, it's not investment advice, but I'm telling you, the day that you can go to McDonald's and buy a hamburger for a fraction of some Bitcoin, it might be a little bit late to start talking about what is Bitcoin mean. Now's the time to go ahead and learn about what these things are, how to use them, and make your own judgment call as to whether you believe this could be the new reality for the world as a whole. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I'll catch you on the next one.